everyone, I'm Cinthia. I think all of people who watching this video, they are go to school sometimes or now. Do you have any favorite memories from school? You have it or didn't have anything? I have it. Before I didn't think it. I just thinking about bad and terrible memories. However, I don't stop to thinking. Then finally I think two great and fantastic memories. Now I'll tell about that. But stop everyone. Do you like red? And please click subscribe button. First memory is playing with a lot of things in our lunch break time when I'm third grade. When I'm third grade, I want to rest more time in lunch break time. So I asked to my teacher. Teacher is agree because she is so kind and she loves children. So we can get 1 hour 30 minutes. We started to play board game. We play very fun and you play with some papers. We make dinosaur with paper. And we started to drawing on the board. We drawed very hard. Then we make a lot of places. Sea, mountain, sky, other planets, space, and fantasy world. That world has dragons and dinosaurs. All most of girls didn't like it. However, that's one of good memories. Secondly, it is about hide and seek when I'm 5th grade. When I'm 5th grade, my school students are like hide and seek so much. 5th grade students want to do that too, but my class doesn't do that. So I suggest to play hide and seek. So we started to play in lunch break time. I'm hide in back place in the library bookshelves. Then we start to being quiet. But I didn't know my friends are all find it to seek her. But I only didn't find. 20 minutes after, I go out and find my friends myself. All of friends and I left very long time. In conclusion, my favorite two memories in school. First, playing with a lot of things in lunch break time. Second is play hide and seek in school. Thank you for listening and please push the like button.